Okay guys, this is LRC34. This is Handbag Edge Filler. So again, if you have a problem with a handbag where you've got like piping or the edges like you get on handles or around the sort of areas of bags like you've got here and that edging has come out, this product, Handbag Edge Filler, is designed to actually fill these edges in around your handbags or the piping on them. Again, prepare the surface by wiping it over gently with an alcohol cleaner. Clean your bag first of all with a leather cleaner like an aniline cleaner on the bag. Wipe the area down that you're going to put the filler in with an alcohol cleaner. If there's like bits hanging off, obviously you're going to have to sand those down to prepare the surface, but clean it down with alcohol and then apply the LRC34. Cut a little bit off the top of the spout here and just simply place that in to the edging of the handbag. And then you can get a spatula and level that out, or just wipe it over with your finger to smooth it down. Wipe any excess off the sides. Once that's dry, you would then see whether a second or third coating is going to be required to see if it's sunk at all. Once that's been finished completely, you can lightly sand that off with 1200 paper to give it an ultra smooth finish that you'd expect with the edge of a handbag, and then just simply paint over the top with some of the Leather Repair Company leather paint. You can add a little bit of paint to here if you wanted to on the very, very final coat to sort of give that some shadowing to begin with so that there was less paint going on at the end of the day. So that is how you would use LRC34 Handbag Edge Filler and how you would apply it. Hop on over to the website to get your LRC34, leatherrepaircompany.com.